Hello there! Today we'll be continuing our work on the color wheel. We will be creating shades, which are any color plus a little bit of black in them. As you can see, the shades are darker than the colors on the outside ring. They're definitely related, they're similar, but they are different. They are new colors. In order to get to that point, the first thing we have to do is match the colors that we've already made. Yellow, orange, orange, and red, orange are the three we're going to start with because that's how we started the color wheel. We'll need yellow and red and a little bit of black. I have all three of those colors here. Again, the first thing we have to do is match what we did. Now, yellow is already the way it is, so we're good on that one. The next is that yellow, orange, orange, and red, orange. I need to make this color. In order to make the color that goes right here, I'll need some yellow and I'll need some yellow orange. I'll take those two colors, mix them together, add a little black, and put that here. You have to be careful though, because if you use all your yellow orange for this combination, you will not have any more yellow orange for this combination right here. Okay, so the first thing we have to do is make sure we make enough of each color to use it multiple times. So first, let's try and make orange, then we'll do yellow orange, okay? Remember what you did last time. You're going to use your brush as a little spoon, move some paint to a new place on the palette, a new well, and then take your time in matching the color that you already made. This is an important skill because it'll always happen that you'll run out of a color or the bell will ring, we're out of time. You'll have to match a color here and there, so it makes sense to figure out how to do it, especially when the color is already dry. Okay, so now I'm mixing it up. And just like when we made the color wheel, as you can see, red went crazy. It's so red now, it's ridiculous. In general, yellow is kind of a wimpy color when it's mixing. It does what it's supposed to, but it does take a lot more of it than maybe some of the other colors, okay? Again, we're trying to get the same color we had last time. It's good practice, and if you want to make your color wheel accurate, it has to match. Now I'm real close to red-orange with this. Take a look. So I'm going to leave that and say that's red-orange when I need it. Next, I'm going to show you a faster way to get to orange or a light color. You take the light color, in this case yellow, okay? And you do not even use the brush like a spoon to get the darker, more quick change color, in this case red. You don't even use it like a spoon. You barely touch it. And then you just mix it in there. You won't see the change at first, but you will very quickly. Okay, now this orange is real nice. It's a little yellow orangish, so I'm gonna tip a tiny bit right there into that red, okay? And now I've got something that I feel like matches what I did the other day. And by the way, if what you did the other day is not good, you're not happy with it, it came out kind of thin, whatever, repaint it. That's okay. All right, so now we've got orange. We've got red-orange for later, and we've got yellow. There's one more color I need, yellow-orange. I want to make all of these colors available to me so that I can just kind of lay in the shades quickly, just by adding a little bit of black to each puddle or color sample. Okay, for yellow-orange, take yellow, a good amount of yellow, right? Again, why am I not just changing my orange? Because I need orange in a couple of places. Remember that. Okay. To get to yellow-orange, I'm going to use the minutest amount of red to change it up a little. Remember that we're matching what we did last time. If what you made last time is not right, you can repaint it. But try your best to get what you got the first time. Okay. Feel like that could be a little more. Oh yeah, this is careful. Be careful. Okay, look at that. Look how dramatically the red changes that whole puddle so quickly. Now the color black, the paint black, is gonna kind of do that too. So just be prepared. It changes it up super fast. Okay, I'm good. I've got yellow orange. I've got orange. I've got red, orange, and of course I have red and yellow. Now, just a little bit of black, probably too much. I'm gonna put a little bit here and here, okay, on the palette. You gotta be careful with black. Look at the color of my water already. Totally different just because I used a little bit of the black paint. All right, so let's do yellow plus yellow orange mixed together with a little bit of black. So there's yellow plus yellow orange. This should be a new color. Interesting. It's definitely related to the others. Now you got to be careful here. If you take too much black, it is done. Something like that. You even see that tiny bit? Let's see what happens. Look at that. Boom. It changes. This is technically a shade because it's got a little bit of black in it. If you don't see enough of a change, go ahead and put a little bit more, but watch out. These are interesting new colors, perhaps. Maybe not the ones that come out of the Crayola box. Ooh, I like that. That's interesting. Okay, so there's yellow and yellow orange with a little bit of black mixed in. It came out a little thinner than I like it. So when it's dry, I'll paint another coat. I've got the color right there. Now don't corrupt that color. Leave it the way it is, especially since I might want a second coat later. And now let's go to yellow-orange plus orange right here with a little bit of black. Again, that's going to be yellow-orange plus orange with a little bit of black mixed in, and that shade will go right there. Okay. Yellow-orange is this one, which I just used, the other half of it. Okay, so I'll put it here. Why am I not using all of it? Just in case. There's the yellow-orange. Oh, here's the red-orange. Should get a new color. It's not quite red-orange, or excuse me, it's not quite yellow-orange. It's not quite orange, it's new. And now here's where the change really comes in. The black. Again, tiny bit. And again, you can see a new and interesting color. And I'm going to paint that in right next to orange, yellow, orange combo. Cool. All right. And they are changes. In this example, I used more black. So as you can see, they seem darker. All right, now it's about orange plus red orange and a little bit of black right there. Orange, red orange, and a little bit of black. Okay, my orange. Okay, sure. And I can't use all my orange, or can I use all my orange? Yeah, I can. I'm all right. Orange, I always leave a little extra just in case. Plus red orange. This hot one. A new color, surely. And carefully add that speck of black to see it change. There it is. Whoa. Oh, learning how to make some browns, I guess, right? That's cool. These are very useful colors. Look at the still life. See all that stuff? You might not guess, you know, that red, orange, and a little bit of orange with a speck of black mixed in would give you this color, but that's why you do a color wheel. And if you don't know, now you know. All right, the last one we're going to be doing here is going to be red with red, orange, and a little bit of black. Red, orange. Plain red. Whoa, maybe too much. Whoa, black got in there. Corruption! And that's okay because I was going to do that next. Yes, I was. All right, I was going to go like that. Ooh, did it again. Corruption. Okay, another new color. Red and red-orange, plus a little bit of black. Another interesting, it's almost like a sienna? I don't know. Something like that. There you go. Beautiful, kind of western-y colors. Wah, wah, wah. All right, next we'll be dealing with the other